Do you want to connect Amazon Echo device to Xbox One? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: connect Amazon Echo device to Xbox One. Press the Xbox button on your Xbox One controller. Navigate to Settings, select Devices and Connections. Choose Digital Assistance. Ensure Enable Digital Assistance is checked. Check Sleep Mode and Startup if necessary. Go to General, select Sleep Mode and Startup or Power Mode and Startup on older versions. Ensure Sleep Mode is set to Standby to allow turning on the console while it's off. Download and install the Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Launch the app and ensure Wi-Fi network discovery mode is activated. Tap More at the bottom right. Select Skills and Games. Use the search bar to find the Xbox skill. Tap Enable to use. Log in with your Microsoft account, the same one used on your Xbox One console. Follow the prompts to link your account. The app should now search for compatible devices on your home network. Once discovered, the Xbox skill will be listed and you can enable it. Now you can turn off or turn on the Xbox One console with voice commands like you can say, Alexa, turn off Xbox One or Alexa, turn on Xbox One. And there you have it, the method to connect Amazon Echo device to Xbox One. We hope the method has worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the products, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.